This is our 2022 Tesla Model 3 rear wheel drive. Starting off, we'll take a look under the hood. We have a pretty spacious front. Moving to the back, we have our trunk. All right. Under this, you have additional room as well. Nice. It's also going to be a power trunk too. Moving on to the charge port, it's going to be right here. Nice. Now to the rear seats. Nice moonroof. You have two USB-Cs right here. Your cup holders. Moving on to the front. Wireless phone charger compartment right here, and your center console compartment. Nice.